Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Click on the bell icon and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. In the previous videos, we have seen how to install the VESTA, how to open file in VESTA software, how to rotate, open or zoom in, zoom out and all the features we have seen. Now in this video, we can start with the new structure with copper bulk structure. So here is the copper bulk structure. We can extend this structure in along X, along Y, along Z direction. So this is the cubic structure. So how to extend this structure? By using the boundary, we can extend along X, along Y, and along Z direction. So in this way, we can extend the structure along X direction, along Y direction, and along Z direction. Further, we can go to our original structure. Next, we can transform this structure. This is the complete supercell. So we can extend our supercell into the bigger supercell. So how to transform this? Go to the edit data, unit cell, and then click on the transform. But before going to the transform, we can see the lattice parameters 3.62 along ABC since it is the cubic structure. So go to the transform structure and we can enter 2 along Y2 along Z2. Okay. So are you sure you want to continue? Yes. And then how to convert structure? Add new equivalent positions. We have to repeat our original structure as it is. That's why it is okay. So here we can see lattice parameters are 7.24. So it is changed now. So it is applied. Okay. So our new big supercell is transformed. In this way, you can do your structures or transform your supercell or unit cell into the required structure. So thank you guys for following my channel and stay tuned with me.